Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to work with predefined views in SAP Business One web client and how to make your daily work easier. We will use sales quotations as our example, but the same process works for many other table views as well, such as invoices, items, business partners, and more. To begin, please click the Sales tab in the page navigation. Now, please select the Sales Quotation tile. This will open the overview of all quotations. We are now looking at the My Open Sales Quotations view. You can see the view name in the top left corner of the page. This is the default view provided by SAP for a clean setup, although your company may have different default views configured. This view filters the status and the user signature by default. By clicking the small arrow next to the view name, you can open the overview of all predefined views. Here you can browse through the available views and compare the different options before selecting one that fits your needs. You can easily choose a view by clicking it. In this example, we select all sales quotations by clicking on it. Now you can see all sales quotations in the system. If we take a closer look at the filter section, the status equals open and user signature equals current user filters have been removed. That is why more records are visible now. We will explain filters in more detail in the next video. You can also choose which view should be shown by default when you open this category page. To do this, open the view selection again by clicking the down arrow next to the view name. When the menu opens, click the Manage button in the bottom left corner of the context menu. An overlay window opens, where you can select the default view by choosing the corresponding radio button. In our example, we choose the view All Sales Quotations. If your company has many visible views, you can also use the search bar to quickly find the correct one. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Save. Now you know how to select and manage predefined views in SAP Business One web client. We have successfully shown how to work with predefined views in SAP Business One web client. This playlist covers more standard functions of the SAP Business One web client, so please watch the previous videos to understand the navigation and view concepts more fully. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, like this video if it was useful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your experience.